Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in the last Blender tutorial, we have done this cup, right? So yes, we are now in this video, we are going to complete this cup, okay? We're just going to create this handle, okay? Yeah, there are two methods here. One, you can use the Shift A, go to curve and you can use this 2D shapes, okay? You can use it to see. I can say take this nums curve. There is nums curve here, see, there is a curve here. You can take that curve G. Don't I have told you already, don't do anything in the object mode. Go to tab. Now you can select the vertex G, Z, R, Y 90 and R, Z 90. Yes. So here if I am trying to create a handle with the help of a num circle, okay? So you can do like this, but you will be getting two different objects, okay? So see, now I will create first of all, okay? So first I will set up this one. Right click on this and subdivide, it will subdivide. Yes. You can also subdivide this one and this one. Subdivide, it will add another vertex here. Like this. See, I have that shape, okay? Yes. Now just go out to the object mode. Now take this symbol. This is the object data of this curve. You can go to the geometry and use this bevel. Okay, I have created that, right? So you can use the offset. You can change this. You can simply extrude it. Your wish, okay? What is the shape you want? You can create it. So I want this shape. See, I have already completed the cup handle, right? So just make sure like it is the shape you want, okay? Don't get compromised. Just try to change the shape until you get the shape you want. I want to make this like something like this, okay? And it is completed. See, yes. So simply I have created a cup handle, right? But what happening here is, see, you can clearly see this and this one are different objects, right? This is okay. Most of the times, if you are using this like in the background or something, you are blurring out the background for the 3D renders, you can use these things. But to make it more clear, like to make it more like it is only a single object, to make it more like a realistic object, you don't want to do this. You want to do everything in a single object. So what you should do is you should create a handle from this cup itself, okay? You should create the handle from this cup itself. So this is the one method we have shown you. And now I am going to tell you another one, which is creating the handle from the cup itself, okay? So yeah, have came into the edit mode by clicking the tab, and after that 3 for the face selection. You can see the clicks when I click the buttons. It will appear here. You can see. Okay, now I will select this one. I can simply click insert. Okay, I can click simply insert like this. Okay, I can click the insert. I can create it from here. R, Control R, click Control R, and you can create a loop between here and here. Okay, and yes, now you can select this one and this one and this one. You can insert, or you can use only this one. You can also create a segment here. If you create a segment on the here, it will lose the shape. So that what you should do is you should make it round yourself. Okay, yes, I made it round. Now see, there is no change in the shape, but segments are added, right? Now see, this one and this one, I will create a small cup handle, right? Smaller, it looks smaller, right? So I will create smaller one. So just insert this. I have inserted it. So this looks more bigger. So I will just scale it in the x-axis. Yes. Now take this both and extrude. Extrude in the what? In the x-axis. So it will get straight, and scale it in the x-axis. It will make it even more straight. Okay. Now you see we have created handles outside. Okay. Now it's time to create the cup shape, a handle shape. What happening here is the shape is like this. Okay, so just see, I'm in the vertex mode. I click one and came to the vertex mode, but if I select like this, I have already told you the previous class. If I select like this, I'm not able to select all these things. I can only select these things. Why? Because the things which are visible, the vertex or faces or edges, whatever it may be, those things which are visible to you, you can only select those things. Okay, so what you do, Control Z, I already told you, Control Z to X-ray mode and select this. Okay, select all, you can select it now, right? So now G x-axis, this is enough. G x-axis, this is enough. Now you can simply add a vertex edge here, sorry, here and here. You can simply add it like this as a scale in the x-axis. Click 0. Now see, you can simply take like this, and there are a lot of ways. Okay, there is a particular way of modeling for every 3D modeler. So you should find your particular way, your particular style of modeling by practicing. Okay, so I am doing like this. I do in a lot of ways. I can just extrude and rotate, extrude and rotate, extrude and rotate, extrude and rotate, and I can bridge, or just simply I can bridge like this. I took it in the same level. I select this face and this face, and right click on this, and you can go here in the bridge faces. See, the cup handle shape I have got, but not really completely. I didn't get that right. So I will do that. Right. For now, I should take it here. Yes. And I can keep it like this, right? So there are a lot of ways. This is not the only way. I can't say that. Okay, there are a lot of ways you can create whatever the way you want. Okay, Control R. See, I'm making it round. So in the Telugu video, Blender Telugu video, I have created it in a different manner. Now here I have creating it in a different manner. So that is up to you. You can follow anything. See, now I should rotate it, right? I can rotate it like this. See. Rotate this one a little bit. Rotate this one a little bit. See, the shape, we have got the shape, right? We have got the shape simply, didn't we? Yes. So you can also do in another way. I will show you in another way. Okay, Control Z. Okay, this is the far we can go. So let me go to the previous shape, delete the faces. Yeah, now see. See, there is an opening here, right? So you can fill it like, take this and this edge and you can click bridge loop. This one and this and click bridge loop, like that. You can bridge. So this is where we have started, right? So I just want to show you another video. That's why, sorry, another type, another way to create. That's why I deleted that one. See. So now we have came to the back, right? We have came to the back form. Now Alt Z to X-ray mode. GX, keep it here. And now see, you can keep it more here. Okay, this one also gx. Now extrude it, extrude in the x-axis. See, you have got like this, right? So rotate this one. You can also create like this. So to tell that, to tell this, I created this. Okay, I have deleted everything. Now see, you can also create like this, like now extrude again, rotate in the x-axis like this. This is also a simple way to create. So I have, as I told you, you should find your way. Okay, you should find your style. Okay, what is good for you? What is the better way for you? What is the easy way for you? You should find it. See, that's it. Again, should extrude this one. Now see, you can take this one, keep it upside, and SX. Now you know. Take this one, this one, this one, and this one. Just where is this bridge faces? Now it got bridged. Little bit problem here is the shape. Okay, just adjust the shape like you want. So I will create the shape I want. You create the shape you want. Okay, I just want it to be like this. So I done that. So yes, completed. Now, as it is completed, but it is not in the correct shape yet. Okay, so you should make the correct shape. I will make it now. See, Control B. You can just use the bevel, or you can adjust it by yourself. It is up to you. Okay, you can change it anything. Like, see, I'm adding this one with the Control R, and you can rotate. You can keep it upside, vertex. You can create like this also, right? See, the shape is coming, right? It's already came actually. See, G Z. You can take this, scale it, rotate it. Sorry, Control B. You can use the bevel. Sorry, yeah, bevel. You can use the bevel. You can say it bevel. Control B. Like this bevel, you can say. So to do that, you can remove this one. Dissolve edge. Dissolve the edge. Okay, right click and dissolve the edge. Right, double click. If you double click, it will select all. I know that. And right click and dissolve edge, it will go. Now see, click this one and Control B. See, there are different ways to create a shape, right? So now I have used the edges. I added the edges and created the shape myself, and also I am using, see, I am using bevel, right? Bevel to create the shape, right? So both are working. You cannot say this will work and you cannot say this will not work. So both, everything will work. See, control B, it also works, right? We got the shape finally. If it look, it is looking little bit uh, fat, so I mean thicker. So just I will select this one, and this one, the whole thing here and here, and you can scale, right? Simple. There are a lot of ways. Actually, I'm just sticking to the basics. In the next videos and all, I will be telling you like advanced modeling techniques and all. So you should keep track of my videos. Okay. See, it becomes thin. Now this looks flat. No problem with that, but it doesn't look flat. Okay. So S, Y axis 0. Simple. Now we got the shape. You can see it is looking good, very good, right? So edges are clean, looping is very clean, everything is fine. The only thing here is this, you can see these marks, right? So you can change that simply. Of course, no need, actually it is looking good, but if you want to change that, you can change that. See, if I keep it up, a little bit gone, right? Keep it down a little bit, it will go a little bit, and now Control R. Now it looks good, right? And you can also do one thing, that is this one went inside, so you can keep it front like that. Okay, so depends on you, everything. How, if it looks good for you, just leave it. Okay, yeah. See, I'm adding a edge which is supporting edge, because now it looks good. See, right? Now it looks like it is coming from the cup. Same you can do on the top side. See, I'm loosening it up. I'm giving this space for the vertex, right? So that it looks clean. See, done this. If I'm while doing this, I'm getting a weird shape here. So to clear that, I am using the, because why that is happening, because there is no, I already told you in the next previous video, there is no continuing supporting edge, right? It is not continuing, it is tightly coming to here, so there is a stretch here, so there is a strain to the edge. So to remove that, just use the Control R, add an edge here, and add an edge outside. That will clear that one. See, now it looks good. And also if you want to like if you add a subdivision surface, see, it looks very smooth and it looks nice, right? You can just see it is almost the same. Of course we will be doing the advanced modeling, and in that you can learn more things, but for now this is the basics, right? So now you know how to create the basics like extruding, insetting by using all these things, right? There are modifiers also. We will talk about the modifiers in the next video. Now for now, see, now it is looking like in the real world. There we see that cup. When you see the cup, you can see that it the cup's handle is coming from the cup's body. Now it is looking like that, right? So you can now simply change anything you want, literally. See, you can make it better and better and better while uh, creating and adding and everything. Like, see, if this cup handle, I can add a vertex in the middle, and select this one, this one, this edge, and this edge. If I want to make it round like that. Okay, now see what I will do. Deselecting all this. See, I'm keeping only the sides selected. See, I'm keeping the sides selected and scale it like this. Now what I'm doing, what I did here, I just smoothed it out. See, just smooth it out. The cup I smoothed it out. Now it is, now the sides are not sharp. See, now the sides are not sharp. It looks nice, right? So this much you can do for a basic modeler. Okay, right? You can do lot here, like see in the one you can really change this one. See, looks even smoother. So depends on you, how you are creating depends on you. See, getting smoother and smoother, right? Good looking and almost matched, right? Almost. Okay, I can't say 100%, but I will not say actually 100%. It will took a lot of time to adjust everything. So in the modeling, all we do is extruding and playing with the single vertex, right? Playing with a single vertex. So you should do that. I can't tell you everything, right? You should experiment yourself and you will learn, right? Experience is the best way, right? So yeah, try making the thing like cup and all. In the next video we will talk about modifiers and all, and following that we will be creating most advanced and little advanced things. So yeah, so stay tuned my video, and yeah, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to get the updates of the latest videos. I will be uploading the videos very fastly so that you will learn fastly. So yes, now you know the cup, right? Now you know how to develop a, like how to create something like a cup or a bottle. See, simply you can make a jug, try yourself. Okay, create a mug or something like that. Okay, yeah. So yes, this is it for the video. Subscribe and see you in the next video.